What's happening, y'all? I'm about to change my headlights. I'm gonna keep these for wintertime coming around. I actually changed the low beams to LED, Cougar Motor LED lights. Switched all of my cars to LED lights. I got tired of HIDs, even though the HIDs are a little bit brighter, but I got tired of ballasts going out and had to run relay harnesses and all that. So these are plug and play. As a matter of fact, I'm at it. Pull this one out so y'all see. And it's got a built-in fan in it also to keep it cool. And this is the actual bulb itself. Like I said, it's got a built-in fan. Can't even hit the fan even kick on. I know some of these LED bulbs you can actually hear the fan, so it's kind of loud. But these been great. And like I said, I didn't change my other Impala in my truck. Shit, my old school, I'm gonna change those also to LED. So, but they only like 40. I think I paid like $43 on Amazon for them. So, but like I said, I'm gonna keep these, put these back on to get snow back on the ground. And these are the lights I switched them to just some different lights. Some really clear housing instead of the black housing, so should look nice. But I'm gonna start putting them in now. What's happening, y'all? Putting bulbs in, LED bulb, my switchback LED in, bulb in. What I had to do is I had to buy, I don't know if y'all can see, I'm in the way, the light. See that back there? A small piece, two small pieces right there. Another pieces. These are resistors. And when you put LED bulbs in place of your stop bulbs, the current's so low, it's like you don't even have a bulb. COD recognizes like you don't even have a bulb, in place. So you get what they call a hyper flash, and what you have to do, you just have to buy the resistors and wire them in, positive, negative, either way. On the actual harness itself, the actual bulb harness coming out off the bulb, so the wire is coming off. Just wire them in there, and it prevents the hyper flash. But if I didn't wire them in, my lights would turn sitting up, be blinking real fast. And what I should have did, I should have had one without a resistor, one with one. But you could probably look it up on YouTube though. But this is my running light right here. Like I said, it's a switchback LED. It's got about probably I think 6 LEDs, 6 white LEDs, and probably 10 amber LEDs into it. But what you do is that I say get the resistors. You can either wire them in onto the factory harness, or like what I bought is a resistor harness. It's a harness that I bought off Amazon, and instead of having to splice into the wires on the actual harness itself for the bulb, it's just plug and play. So this right here goes into the stock harness, and then you put the other end of it into the bulb itself. That's it, plug and play. So I'll show y'all now. So that's the running light right there. Now if I hit this, hit my turn signal, turn to orange, amber, what do you want to call it. And as soon as I hit it back, right back to white. All the newer cars got it. I just want to try it out, see how it look. It came out good. Only reason why I have my headlights all the way in is because the cheap metal clips that holds it in, they broke off or whatever. They hold anyway. So figure I might just replace them, so I'm waiting on them to come in the mail. But yeah, man, these came out real good. And then the houses I used, you probably can't see because of the plastic I got on the steel, but they clear housing. So, but yeah, man, that's with the lights. So I'm almost done. I'm wiping down all my panels for the interior of my car. Start putting all this back in today. Probably another 2 hours. I'll have everything back in. And the dash is up there on top of the car. So be done in a little while. Pitch out another video. All right.